Hey everyone, this is Dr. Z, PhD Natural Me, and welcome back to my channel. It is such a beautiful day out. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to figure out where to look. Let me look down there. I have a new light on my phone. It's just a little clip-on light and it's so cute. I love it. Let me show you. Dan, clips onto your phone. And I'll put this information in a description box. It's just so cute. But it lightens up the room here a little bit for me, and I absolutely love it. Oh, it is about 48 degrees out with no wind and a lot of sunshine. And it makes it feel like it's in its 70s and beautiful. I went for a walk today and that felt great. I'm just enjoying myself. I hope you guys are enjoying yourself. What have I done keto this week? Not much. Not much. And I'm not laughing just because I'm just throwing it out the window. I'm still in recovery from my knee replacement, the second knee replacement. And me getting up to fix meals, sometimes I can't do it. So I'll have a sandwich or soup. Soup and sandwich, my staple. My husband does not know how to cook mushrooms, and you may hear him out there. He's singing. He doesn't realize how loud he is. So if you hear, oh, sound like somebody's calling coyotes or something. It's funny. He knows. I love his voice. I don't know if everybody else does, though. Anyways. So soup and sandwiches are my staple for right now. But I don't eat a lot. So my weight has just been kind of hanging the same. And that's okay with me. Once I'm able to get up and move around and walk a little bit more, I think that will help. I do notice that I am a little bit hungry at times, but I don't go and gobble because I know if I start doing that, I'm just going to be completely out of control, and I don't want to be. So, what else is new in life? Nothing at the moment. I haven't written anything on my blog lately, and that will change as of next week. My goal is to get one article a week up on my blog. So hopefully you stop by and see that channel, my channel, phdnaturalme.com, and leave a reply, leave a comment. Let me know that you've been there. Let me know you've read. And I'd love to hear from you. I'm sitting in the driver's seat. I don't know, I don't think you can see the wheel, but I am missing not being able to drive because I had the replacement on my right knee and I am not ready to take the wheel and drive just yet. I'm getting there though. I was trying to think if there was something else that I was getting ready to say and I wasn't. So I hope you're having a great day and I look forward to talking with you in my next video. Take care. Stay healthy.